Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to explore quartiles and interquartile range. So before even we delve into that, let's take a look at this set of data. Okay, 78, 85, 72, 67, 88 and 24. Well, what's the range of this data? The highest is 88. The lowest is 24. So to find the range, we simply use the highest, largest number, 88, minus away the lowest or smallest value, 64. Is this a good measure? Well, not exactly, because there is an outlier of 24 here. Do you notice that most of the data is between here, while this 24, which is an outlier, which is the extreme value, is far away from the rest of the data? Alright, so this brings us to some things to think about with regards to using the range to measure the spread of a data. Well, the advantage is it is easy to calculate, easy to understand. But the disadvantage is actually that it is affected by what we call the extreme values or the outliers, and as well as it does not reflect the variation of the data when there is extreme values. Well, this brings us to today's topic on interquartile range. Okay, so this is another measure of spread, where we are now going to divide the data into 4 equal parts, where there is the first quartile, which is usually known as the lower quartile as well. There is the Q2, second quartile, which is also referred to as the medium. And Q3 is the third quartile, which is also referred to as the upper quartile. And how are they being represented in the data? Well, for example, consider the following data set E. How do I find the interquartile range? Step 1, we will have to arrange in the data must be in ascending order. So I have just arranged them in ascending order. Now we find the Q2 first, okay, which is the medium. So we are going to divide into 2 equal parts physically. So this will be at the middle point. This is actually our Q2. So our Q2 is 35. That's our Q2, 35. Now there are 4 data on the left side of this 35, and there are 4 on the right side. So let's move on to divide the lower half of the data into 2 equal parts physically. But this time round, do take note that it is actually right in the middle, meaning there are 2 numbers on the left and 2 numbers on the right. Then how do we calculate this lower quartile Q1? Well, we just have to plus 17 and 20 and divide by 2. That will give me the Q1. the lower quartile. Do the same for the upper quartile. Okay? So the upper quartile will then be equals to 44 plus 40 divided by 2 to give me 42. How then can we find so this is the upper half, How then can we find the interquartile range then? Well, we just have to use the upper quartile minus away the lower quartile. So I will have my Q3 minus away my Q1 to give me my interquartile range. And that is how you find the interquartile. Alright? Well, with that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.